Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Syd. Welcome back to another Chanel unboxing, okay? Chanel has a hold on your girl. I gotta let go though. I gotta let go because these prices, they up there. Chanel was up there, that's all I can say. But it's worth it. It's worth it. So before we get into this unboxing, welcome to Life with Syd. For those who are new here, thanks for stopping by. If you just clicked on this video and you love videos like this, like fashion hauls, unboxing videos, lifestyle videos, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So let's just get right into this unboxing, guys. This one's going to be short and sweet. It's a double unboxing. It's an accessory and a bag. I purchased a wallet on chain from Chanel. I just thought it was a great accessory to add to my collection with Chanel. Like I told you guys that I'm ready to like build my Chanel collection. I don't know why I waited to the prices is way up here when I should have been buying them when they was down here, but it is what it is. So let's just get right into this unboxing. We're gonna start off with a little accessory that I just felt like I should have had years ago. This was purchased online. Has a little pull tab here. And it's Chanel box thumbnail. This little box is so cute. And this is just my receipt. How cute is this little bag? Let's do another thumbnail. This is from Chanel online. And of course it's not a bag. It wouldn't come in this type of box. This is a Chanel compact mirror. And here it is. Let's see what else they put in here. Oh, it comes with like a little bag. Came with some goodies. Oh, this is some Chanel hand cream. Oh, this is cute. I'm going to put this in my car. This little teeny bottle is so cute. Chanel number 5. Oh, this is cute. I like this. Little bag is so cute. Look at it. The Chanel logo on it. That's so cute. This is a mirror, and it's a double compact mirror. And I ordered this so long ago, and I just never opened it. Oh, and I love the little bag that it comes in with the Chanel logo on it. How cute is this compact mirror? I love it. It's perfect size. It's only right that I pull out the Chanel lippy. Let's see. Hold it this way. Yeah, I'll probably hold mine this way. Okay. How cute and fancy is this? This is super cute. Put this back. Y'all know I gotta do an unboxing for Instagram. So I'm gonna put this up. Okay. So this was purchased in New York City at the Saks Fifth Avenue Chanel boutique. I had them mail it to me because it's the taxes are cheaper in New Jersey. And I actually took the train to New York, and I did not want to carry a Chanel bag, shopping bag, back with me at night. I just went out with Babe, and I made this purchase. So let's just get it open. with some Saks Fifth Avenue advertisement. And this comes in a box. They did not put a bag. So let's do a cute little thumbnail. Here's the box. The Chanel logo on it. So cute. Alright, so we're just gonna unbox this. This is, like I said, this is a wallet on chain. Let's just get it open. It's so cute. Never want to mess up a Chanel box. Never. Why would we do that? So let's see if we can get this off nice and neat. So I can package it back up and re-unbox it. So here it is. And it just comes in this. She did a not so great job packing this up. I would have definitely tucked the chain inside. But carrot card came inside the box as well. A little bit of tissue paper. I don't know why it wasn't in tissue paper, but whatever. And this is part of the 23C collection. And it comes in a bag like this. And it's like a felt microfiber bag. And it says Chanel on it on the front. So let's just get it out. And here it is. It is the Chanel wallet on chain with the pearl adjustment little ball. And it has like Chanel all over it, the ball, the C's. So cute. And what I really liked about this wallet on chain is it has the little lock mechanism like the classic flap, like my Coco handle, where you, with the other wallet on chains, it is like the magnet. It's a magnet. So that's why I really like it. And it has the back pocket as well. What they call is the Mona Lisa smile pocket. I love that. And it has the felt just like my other bag, you know, and I'll just keep it on there when I'm not using it. And here's the tag. And it is so cute and adorable. And I just love the fact that you can adjust it. You can adjust the strap to make it shorter or longer. Let's see. Make it shorter by just pulling on it's a little button that you hold and then just pull. And you can make it shorter if you want to make it a shoulder strap, crossbody. I love it. And this was brand new. Nobody touched all over it. Still has the stickers here. And inside the wallet on the chain, you guys know, comes with card holders. It is 6 card holders inside of here. This is the lambskin. It's not caviar leather. But I don't think that I'm going to worry about, at first I was thinking about color transfer because it's white, but I think I'll be okay because I know I will wear this summer and spring, and I'm not wearing dark blue jeans. So most likely I'll be wearing like a dress or a cute little outfit to wear this. This is what sold me though. This pearl is so beautiful. I just love it. And at first I was looking for I think I wanted a mini or small. And the price difference is probably about, for this one, I think I paid $37.50, and for the small classic flap, I think it's $4,400. I'm not mistaken. I'll put it on the screen, the price difference. I don't have it to compare, but I have watched a lot of videos and they're basically the same size. One maybe just a little bit bigger than the other one. I purchased a base shaper for this because you see how with this bag it looks so flat and it looks like you can't fit anything in it. But I've been watching some videos where a lot of people have been using base shapers, and once you put the base shaper in there, it will open it up a little bit more. And to me, that's when it starts looking just like a small, maybe a little bit smaller, but you know, when I'm carrying a bag this small anyway, I'm not carrying much. As long as my cell phone can fit, my keys, and you know, a lippy, I'm fine. So I'm gonna just put this base shaper in here so we can see the difference. And this comes with a lot of compartments. Stick it in here. I will link this base shaper in my Amazon store, just in case you're interested in it. And look, boom, just that easy. It opens it up and gives it that. I'm just going to show y'all what can fit in here since this video is a little short. So I can fit the lip gloss, and I didn't show you all the compartments first. So you have the zipper pocket where you can fit your passport. It goes all the way down to the bottom. Then you have the 6 card slots. Then you have another little compartment in front of the 6 card slots. And then you actually have a zipper as well. And that is where the microchip is for your bag. We talked about that in my last video, where now they don't come with the little cards anymore. A lot of the bags are microchipped. So, and right now I have my iPhone 14 Pro that fit. And like I said, I know the Pro Max can fit. I have a Chanel lippy that can fit. I can just lay that down. I have my Louis Vuitton 6 keyring holder. Let's see if this will fit. I may have to take one of my key fobs off because I have, for both my cards, I have on one thing. So I probably would just take one of my key fobs off. I don't need both key fobs on here. So it'll just be my keys with my one key fob, and that fits perfect. And it still closes with my lip gloss. I don't have my hand sanitizer in here. Wait, I do. Let me get my hand sanitizer, guys. This is in my bag I'm actually carrying today. So I wasn't prepared to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. So far I have my cell phone, which I probably wouldn't even carry my cell phone in here. So let's just take this out. I never put my phone in my bag. So it's my 6 key ring holder. Then I will have my hand sanitizer. And you just got to play a little bit of Tetris. That's it. Fits perfect. Now, this is part of my Karigami Louis Vuitton set. These are my AirPods. So I could take them out and just drop that right there along with my lip gloss. And then my AirPods will sit. It probably could fit with the case. Let's see. No, the case is a little too bulky. So I'm gonna take that out and just drop my AirPod Pros right on top. And it's gonna be a little tight, but we can make it work. And I will have 5 credit cards plus my driver's license and some cash. It's a little snug, but the bag is new, so it's tight. I don't think I care for this little bump from my AirPods, so I might have to move it over. Yeah, there we go. That's better. A little tight because the bag is new, so it's kind of stiff, but everything fits inside perfectly. All my essential needs that I carry on an everyday basis. So I probably have 3 credit cards, my driver's license, my insurance card, and my keys, my hand sanitizer, my AirPods, and a lippy. And it fits good. And I just love it. So I think I have a new love for these little mini bags by Chanel. I know I always say, oh geez, the mini bags, I have a love-hate for mini bags, but this one, I'm loving it. I just love the shape of it. I love how it gives me that classic look without having to spend the money, the big money. But yeah, this is super cute. And I'll get some mod shots for you guys, and that will be it. Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, my that. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave. Okay guys, that is it for the Chanel double unboxing. And if you're new here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until next time, Syd signing off. Peace.